Did you know that businesses using video marketing grow revenue 49% faster than those that don't? If you're running a small business and want to connect with your audience, build trust, and boost those sales, you're in the right place. Today, we're cracking the code on how to make video marketing work for you. We're talking about unleashing the power of sight, sound, and storytelling to create content that grabs attention, sparks emotion, and drives action. Stick around because I'm about to show you how video can transform your customer journey and take your business to the next level. Are you ready? Let's do this. Let's talk about the first step in this journey: awareness. Imagine walking into a room full of potential customers. Are they going to be drawn to someone standing silently in the corner, or someone who walks in with confidence, energy, and a story to tell? Your brand introduction video is your chance to make a powerful first impression. This isn't about being slick or corporate. It's about injecting your personality, your passion, your why into every single frame. Think about what makes your business unique. What problem are you solving? What do you stand for? This is about grabbing attention from the first few seconds. Think dynamic visuals, maybe even a powerful question that resonates with your target audience. Remember, people connect with emotion. Your video should make them feel something: excited, curious, understood. Whatever it is, make it count. Make it unforgettable. Okay, so you've got their attention. Now it's time to build trust and move them from simply knowing your brand to actually believing in what you offer. This is where things get really interesting. Product demos are a fantastic way to achieve this. Let your product or service shine in action. Don't just tell people how great it is. Show them. Highlight its benefits, its ease of use, and how it solves a specific problem for your customer. Think about the questions your customers are asking, the pain points they're experiencing. Address them head on in your demo videos. Show, don't just tell, how your product or service provides the solution they've been searching for. And there's no better way to build credibility than through customer testimonials. Real people sharing their real experiences with your brand. These testimonials are pure gold. Encourage your happy customers to share their stories, their successes, and how your business has made a positive impact on their lives. By consistently providing valuable content that educates, inspires, and resonates with your audience, you'll establish a foundation of trust that will pave the way for long-term success. We've sparked awareness and built trust. Now it's time to ignite action. This is where you turn those interested viewers into loyal customers. This is about clarity, confidence, and a compelling call to action. What do you want people to do after watching your video? Visit your website, make a purchase, sign up for your newsletter. Whatever it is, be crystal clear about it. Don't leave them guessing. A strong call to action is direct, specific, and creates a sense of urgency. It's not enough to simply suggest an action. You need to make it irresistible. Offer something valuable. Create a sense of scarcity and make it incredibly easy for them to take that next step. Remember, a confused mind never buys. Guide your viewers towards the desired action with confidence and clarity. Make it a no-brainer for them to choose you. It's the final push that can transform interest into action, leads into customers, and ultimately dreams into reality. Chapter 4, the About Us Makeover, crafting a story that captivates. The About Us video is more than just a dry company bio. It's an opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level, to share your journey, your why, your passion. This is about humanizing your brand and building lasting relationships. Start by thinking about what makes your story unique. Was there a pivotal moment that sparked the creation of your business? What are the core values that drive you? What is the impact you want to make on the world? Share your struggles, your triumphs, and the lessons you've learned along the way. People connect with authenticity. vulnerability, and shared experiences. By opening up and sharing your story, you create a powerful bond with your audience. Think about incorporating visuals that represent your brand's personality and journey. Use music that evokes the emotions you want to convey. Remember, this is your chance to make a lasting impression and leave a mark on the hearts and minds of your viewers. Let your passion shine through. Enthusiasm is contagious. Chapter 5. Demos and Testimonials. Your secret weapons for building trust. Let's talk about two powerful tools that can transform your video marketing, product demos, and customer testimonials. First up, demos. These are your chance to showcase your product or service in action, highlighting its key features and benefits. Remember, seeing is believing. Don't just tell your audience how great your product is, show them. Craft a narrative around your demo. What problem does your product solve? How does it make life easier, better, or more enjoyable for your customer? Show, don't just tell, and don't be afraid to get creative. Use humor, storytelling, and engaging visuals to keep your audience entertained and informed. Now, let's talk about the power of testimonial. These are authentic stories from real people, sharing their positive experiences with your brand. They are incredibly powerful for building trust and credibility. Let your customers be the stars of the show, and their authentic stories will speak volumes about the value you provide. Chapter 6. The Art of the Ask. Crafting calls to action that convert. You've created amazing videos, captured attention, built trust, and showcased the value you offer. Now, it's time to seal the deal with a clear, concise, and compelling call to action. Your call to action is the bridge between passive viewing and active participation. It's the moment you empower your audience to take that next step, whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, or signing up for your email list. But here's the key. Your call to action needs to be crystal clear and incredibly specific. Don't leave your audience guessing what you want them to do. Tell them. Use strong verbs, create a sense of urgency, and make it irresistible for them to take action. Remember, a confused mind never buys. Make it easy for your audience to say yes by providing clear instructions and a compelling reason to take action. Chapter 7. The Power of Data. Tracking, tweaking, and triumphing. Creating amazing videos is just the first step. To truly unlock the power of video marketing, you need to track your results, analyze the data, and use those insights to continuously improve your strategy. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just drive a car without ever checking the fuel gauge, right? The same principle applies to video marketing. You need to keep an eye on the metrics that matter to ensure you're on the right track. Pay attention to view counts, watch time, engagement rates, and click-through rates. These metrics will give you valuable insights into what's resonating with your audience, what's not, and where you can improve. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats, topics, and styles to see what performs best. The beauty of digital marketing is the ability to track and measure your results, allowing you to continually refine your approach and maximize your impact. Embrace the power of data. Use it to your advantage and watch as your video marketing efforts soar to new heights. Now that you've got the blueprint for using video to grow your business, it's time to take action. Remember, knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It's not going to get you very far. So take that first step, create that first video, and watch as your business transforms. Want to learn even more about how to level up your marketing game? Download my free ebook at The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. It's packed with strategies and tools that'll give you the edge you need to crush it in 2024. Don't miss out. Grab your copy today. That's a wrap for today. Remember, video is the future, and it's your ticket to connecting with your audience, building trust, and driving sales. If you got value from this video, do me a favor. Share it with a friend who's ready to step up their game. Let's grow together, and I'll see you in the next video.